Hi friends, welcome back to Keto Diet Daily. Today's video is all about keeping things simple, clean, and keto with 5 of our most loved and viewed one-pan recipes. Perfect for anyone who hates doing dishes. These delicious dishes are easy, healthy, low-carb, and full of flavor. Ideal for busy nights or lazy weekends. From creamy shrimp to a zucchini lasagna, these recipes prove that keto cooking can be simple and mess-free. Try one out and drop a comment letting us know which is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tasty keto recipes every week. Let's jump in. Clean eating without the cleanup starts now. Recipe number 1, skillet chicken with mushrooms. So creamy and savory, it feels gourmet, but takes just 1 pan. Ingredients: 2 boneless chicken breasts, 200 grams mushrooms sliced, 2 TBSP olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 120 milliliters heavy cream, 60 milliliters chicken broth, 1 TSP dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: heat olive oil in a skillet over medium-high. Season chicken with salt and pepper. Sear for 5 minutes per side. Remove and set aside. In the same skillet, add garlic and mushrooms. Saute until soft. Pour in cream, broth, and thyme. Simmer 3 minutes. Return chicken to skillet and cook 5 more minutes. Serve warm. Garnish with parsley if desired. Tip: add spinach or kale for extra greens. Recipe number 2, 1-pan zucchini lasagna. All the cheesy lasagna flavor without the carbs or layers. Ingredients: 2 medium zucchinis, thinly sliced, 250 grams ground beef, 1/2 cup marinara sauce, 1/2 onion diced, 1 clove garlic minced, 1/2 OG shredded mozzarella, 50 grams ricotta cheese, salt, pepper, Italian herbs. Instructions: cook beef and onion in a pan until brown. Add garlic, salt, and herbs. Stir in marinara and simmer 3 minutes. Layer zucchini slices on top. Add dollops of ricotta and sprinkle mozzarella. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on medium-low until cheese is melted. Serve hot and cheesy. Variation: swap beef for ground turkey. Recipe number 3, Eggplant Beef Skillet. Rich, hearty, and low-carb comfort food in 1 pan. Ingredients: 1 large eggplant, diced, 250 grams ground beef, 1/2 bell pepper, chopped, 1/2 onion, diced, 1 TBSP tomato paste, 1/2 TSP paprika, 2 TBSP olive oil, salt and pepper. Instructions: heat oil in skillet. Cook onion and pepper for 3 minutes. Add beef and cook until browned. Stir in tomato paste, paprika, salt, and eggplant. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Serve warm. Grate topped with a fried egg. Tip: add shredded cheese in the final 2 minutes for extra flavor. Recipe number 4, cauliflower rice stir fry. Fast, fresh, and perfect for leftovers. Ingredients: 2 cups cauliflower rice, 2 eggs, beaten, 1/2 cup diced carrots and green beans, 2 TBSP coconut aminos or soy sauce, 1 TBSP sesame oil, 1 green onion, chopped, salt and pepper. Instructions: heat sesame oil in skillet. Add these. Cook 3 to 4 minutes. Add cauliflower rice, stir well. Push mix to one side. Pour in eggs and scramble. Mix eggs into rice, add coconut aminos. Stir fry 2 more minutes. Top with green onions. Variation: add cooked shrimp or chicken for protein. Recipe number 5, creamy garlic shrimp. Takes minutes, but tastes like a 5-star dish. Ingredients: 300 grams shrimp peeled, 2 TBSP butter, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1/2 cup heavy cream. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, salt and pepper, fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions: melt butter in pan. Add shrimp and cook 2 minutes per side. Remove and set aside. In same pan, add garlic. Cook 1 minute. Pour in cream, chili flakes, salt. Simmer 3 minutes. Return shrimp to pan. Stir and cook another 2 minutes. Garnish with parsley and serve hot. Tip: great with zucchini noodles or steamed broccoli. My friends, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these no-mess, one-pan keto meals, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more quick low-carb recipes every single week. Let me know in the comments, which recipe are you trying first? Or do you have a one-pan favorite we should feature next? Stay safe, healthy, and delicious. This is Keto Diet Daily, and we'll see you next time.